Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will see high level overview of Aarti Industries share price. So let's first start with the company details. So this company belong to the chemical sector, and as you can see from the screen, this is a leading Indian manufacturer of specialty chemical with a global footprint. So this company is present in the manufacturing of agrochemical, polymer, additives, surfactant, pigment and dyes. So as we can see the from companies, the vision of this company to emerge as the global partner of choice for leading consumer of specialty chemical and intermediates. So now we will see the company's presence. So this company is present in the India as well as global. So you can see this company has 100 plus product, 700 plus Indian customer, 400 plus global customers, etc, etc. So now we will see some of the product where the product of company is getting used. So you can see it is getting used in agrochemical, pigment and dyes, polymers, pharmaceuticals, plasticizers, refinery and oil. And also from this high level diagram we can see where it is getting used in the market. So now let's focus on some of the key details of balance sheets of this company. So from the 52-week of high, it is crashed almost 36%. So you can see from the diagram, this is crashed almost 36%. But this is not case with only this company. Almost entire sector of chemical industries is suffering this price fall. So that is happening because of the global economy slowdown. So once the problem of global economy slowdown is resolved, this company will also bounce back. So this is fundamentally good company. So you can analyze from your side also, and this is not a recommendation to anyone to buy or sell this company. This is purely for educational purpose. If you want to appreciate my effort, please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. So now we will see the some financial details of this. So as you can see, the market cap of this company is 17,720 crore. Current market price is 484 rupees. 52-week high is 769 and 52-week low is 438. So this company has a long-term debt of 1524 crore. Ideally the debt should be less, but since this company has done the expansion, uh, but because of the slowdown the company is uh, facing some problem. That's why the share price is falling. So company has done the expansion by taking debt. So once the global economy problem is solved, this will definitely show the improvement. So from the shareholding pattern we can see promoter has almost 42%, FIS has 10%, DIS has 18%. So this is a decent shareholding pattern. So you can analyze from your side and accordingly take the decision. Disclaimer, this is just for educational purpose and not a recommendation to buy or sell. Thank you.